Hello, so for today we have a bag of stuff to repair. It seems to be an iPhone 13. I don't know what's wrong with it, but let's have a look and see if we can repair this one. So let's see what's in the bag. It says it doesn't start at all. I can see everything is disconnected, so I assume that they have already tried a different casing maybe. I don't spot anything out of the ordinary. Doesn't seem to have any water damage. And here we have the screen, which is cracked. I'm not sure if the screen is cracked actually, or it has a tempered glass. I think the glass on the screen is cracked, so it's cracked right here in this area. And it has a crack going like this for the whole screen. So it looks like if there was an impact here, was right around here. Yeah, the 13s do not take physical damage very well, because the board is very narrow and very long, and usually a lot of pads break. But let's first try to power it on. I'm gonna connect it to the power supply, and let's see how it's working. So first let's make sure the power button is connected. Okay, then I'm gonna take the squid from the power supply. On the 13 it comes the other way, so if we put it the other way around like this, it will present a main short, because it has a diode that protects the phone for reverse polarity. Alright, let's connect the power supply, and I'm gonna press the power button now. And we have nothing, no power consumption. I'm gonna press the power button on the phone like now, and we get an instant 1.7 amp draw. I'm gonna turn it off, and of course, as you know, the first thing to do is to grab the thermal camera and have a look. Maybe we're lucky, and maybe it's just a problem with one of the caps around the NAND, but we will see. Let's start the software for the camera, for the thermal cam. I think you can see it like that. Let's put this over here so you can see also the power behavior. And I'm gonna focus around the NAND on the first glance. Power it on. Yeah, sorry, I forgot I need to power it on. I'm gonna power on the phone now. Yeah, and we can see right there the cap there is shorted. So this will be a really nice and easy repair. Let's have a look at that cap. We're gonna go under the microscope, but first let me clean up here a bit. Okay, so as we saw, it was this cap right over here. It is this one here. I'm gonna try to just finish it off without removing the board. let's see how thick this glue is around it. Let me see, do I have something that you can see both? Yeah, like that maybe. Okay, let me enlarge this a bit. Alright. So, let's give it a try, and let's see if I can remove that cap without taking the board out, which would be really great. In theory I should come here with some hot air, like 200 to 30, but this compound here is quite soft now, so I won't risk heating up the case, the battery. I don't wanna remove the foam, so I'm just gonna bump this gently. Extremely rarely we get these easy repairs. Just wanna clean it as good as I can, and then just bump that cap off. I will not replace it. I usually do not replace the caps that are on main lines, because there are lots of them that can take over. So here we have, cap is removed. I don't know where it went. I hope not in the phone. Alright, so let's go again and see if we had any luck with it. I'm gonna reconnect the squid. You know what, let's put everything back. I'm feeling confident today, and let's try to power it on its own battery. Okay, I think everything is back here. Let me grab the screen. Where did I put it? Here. And see if the battery is empty or not. Alright, let me turn off the ring so we can see the screen better. I'm prompting it to boot via the power button, and it's doing nothing. Let me try using the power adapter. I'm gonna prompt it to boot using the cable. Alright, so the battery is dead. I'm gonna pause the video here and wait a bit for it to charge up, and we're gonna see later what's going on, and I'm gonna be back to you soon. Right, so I'm back. The phone booted up. I'm gonna cover it because it has a picture of somebody on it. As you see, it's just starting. We have touch, we have everything. So the phone is working. This was an easy repair. There aren't many like this actually, but it's really good when something that fast comes by. And yeah, this was it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it.